just for you. Today we're gonna make veg teriyaki fried rice. Let's look at the ingredients.
We'll need some cooked rice, oil, paneer, garlic, soy sauce, white or brown sugar, chilli flakes, ginger garlic paste, onion, carrots, capsicum and salt. Now we'll start with the paneer. We'll add a few teaspoons of oil and a teaspoon of minced garlic and saute it until it's fragrant. We'll add half a cup of paneer and saute it until it's golden. We'll add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce and 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. I'm using brown sugar, you can use white sugar too. Make sure the paneer is well coated in the sauce. Now we'll set this aside. In the same pot, we'll add few teaspoons of oil and let it heat up. We'll add a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and saute it. We'll add 2 small chopped onions and saute it. We'll add a medium chopped carrot and a medium chopped capsicum. And saute it with a little bit of salt and 2 teaspoons of red chilli flakes. Now we'll add approximately 2 cups of cooked rice and mix it well. Now we'll add the teriyaki paneer we made earlier and mix this too. Look how pretty this looks.